Hey, it's your girl Renee coming to you live and direct from my bed. And in today's edition of Live 365, I just want to give a brief update on how I'm doing after my surgery. It'll be 2 weeks on Monday, so it's Saturday. So, yeah, about what, 12 days post surgery, I guess. And I'm feeling pretty good. I guess, I really have been resting and relaxing. I do still walk around the house a lot, which is good. And I probably go up the stairs more than I should, but I'm feeling pretty good. And the thing is, when you feel good, sometimes you forget. And so I did have an episode last night because I forgot to take my meds. So the pain was there. It was excruciating. But luckily, I still have some narcotics to help me. So that helped out with the quickness. But for the most part, I just take Tylenol and Aleve for the pain. And my pain level's been at like 0. So that's good. I'm going to say the worst pain is like the gas pain. Because, when they move around your internal organs, it kind of messes with your digestive system. But I've been taking something for that as well, and the only time it's problematic is when I don't. So my main thing has been trying to stay on top of my meds. Sometimes get a little sloppy, and then I feel the wrath for it. So I'm still going to stay on top of it. I have another month to recuperate, so I won't be staying in the bed as much, but it's hard for me still to like sit up for extended periods of time or even do a lot of talking. That tires me out, but in general, all is well. So I'm happy with my progress, and I wish you a happy Easter Eve. Until next time, it's your girl Renee signing off. Peace.